Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there was an error connected to the Apple ID server on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that there was an error to connecting to the Apple ID server on any iPhone, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings and here you have to scroll down and look for the general option. Simply tap on it. And here you have to select the date and time and you have to make sure that you have selected this toggle that you set the date and time automatically, or you have to try to enable this 24-hour time, but I'm going to turn it off. So once you have that, you just have to simply go back, select the language or region, and from here you have to select region and you have to select the region in which you are living. So once you have selected, simply go back and then you have to make a software update if your phone needs or requires a software update. So you just have to tap on it, and here you have to make sure that there is not any update available, or if you get any update here, you have to try to update your phone. Once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't, you have to simply scroll down, look for transfer or reset iPhone, select reset network settings, or you have to select reset all settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered, it will fix all of your issues you are having. Or if you're still having the same issue, just have to go back and here you have to make a force restart your phone. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone screen until it goes fully black. So you just have to try this. So quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to simply wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it's restart. Once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix all of your issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to go to Apple Support and get the official help from there. So that's how you can easily fix if there was an error connecting to the Apple ID server on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.